Okay, we're harvesting flowers. We're harvesting flowers, roses. Oh, huh?
All in bloom.
It's you can pick as many as you want. Ito pa, marami pa ito magbo-bloom. Oh, matagal. Nagbo-bolt lang sila. Ito yun, nag-wilt na.
Bakit?
Kasi siyempre, matanda na. Oh, give it to Tito Light.
That thing is dying.
Now, when the roses get like that, you have to cut off the wilted one. This is called dead heading. No. This is called dead heading. So that the
Lalagay ko sa ano ko. Malalagyan. Oh my God.
this is called dead heading. So the nutrition will go to the ones that are just still blooming. But I'll do that. I'll do this later. We have plenty of that one too. Ha? Anong apricot? Ah, oo. How many do you have already? Okay, get as many as you want. And cut them at different lengths so we can arrange them in the flower base. Huh? You want